So guys, today's video is going to be a bit different. I'm going to be showing you a product that I've been using for years. Yeah, I'm just going to bring it in. Bam! This is the, let me get a shot, the MecArmy SGN3. It's a torchlight. It's really small, and as you can see, it's pretty beat up. It's USB charged, and I've taken this with me like everywhere. It's waterproof, which is really great for you anglers out there, and it has three modes of three different types of lights. So you have the main light here, which is, I believe, up to 150 lumens. There are three different power modes. I can't remember what the lumen count is for all three, but I know max output is at 150 lumens. So you have one main torch, then you have, I can't remember which one is which, but you have one infrared or red light torch, and you have a UV torch. So yeah, I carried this a lot, especially around Vietnam, just checking currency, checking bills with the UV light to make sure it's legit cash. It's pretty handy to have. I don't know how well it's gonna show up on camera, but it's pretty bright. You do not want to look directly into this. So that's the main light. You have the red light here, and you're supposed to have a UV light. So yeah, this is why I'm making this video. The UV light here failed after 3 years. So yeah. So the UV light failed. What were my options? I mean, I cannot open this. It's sealed tight, right? There's no way. So a DIY fix was out of the question. So I contacted the place where I got this. I got this at blacktactical.com. It's a store in Singapore. They have a physical store in Adelphi, I believe. And yeah, I get a lot of stuff from them. They have really good quality products there. I highly recommend you guys go down there for all your, I guess, tactical needs. If you need knives, if you need multi-tools, if you need even pants. I know Timothy got a pair of pants there not too long ago. Yeah, if you need torch lights. So I got this, I believe, at 60 bucks, something like that. But I think they have a discount now. It's on sale for 40. But anyways, it lasted for 3 years until the UV light broke. I contacted Black Tactical and asked them, hey, is there anything you guys can do about it? Unfortunately, no. They asked for my receipt, which after 3 years, I don't know about you, but I don't keep receipts for 3 years. Even if I do, I'm pretty sure they're faded. So they said that they would contact the supplier, or the manufacturer rather, on my behalf and see if they could do anything. I told them, nah, you know what, forget it, it's okay. And I went to contact MecArmy personally, myself, and I wasn't hoping for much, but to my surprise, it got back to me on the same day. And I told them my problem and what can be done. If there are any repair costs or anything, just let me know, and let's try to fix it, because I really love this product. So MecArmy replied and told me, you know what, bro, I got your back. And they told me that, hey, just mail it in and we'll repair it for you free of charge. No worries. I thought, whoa, that's pretty cool. Alternatively, we can send you a new unit for a discounted price. So I was like, hey, that sounds pretty good too. So you know what? I went to go and order a new unit from them, and it came in the mail today. So this little package came in the mail today. I'm gonna open it right now. I don't know what, well, I do know what's inside, but I have not opened it yet. I believe this is, it's really hard to cut open behind the camera. So, bam, I got a new unit, and they gave me a free clip. Awesome, great stuff. So, sorry, it's 160 lumens. Good stuff. Oh yeah, in tan, same color. So you can see, so that's how it looked like when I got it, and that's how it looks like now after 3 years. What's this? So they gave a little lanyard to attach. That's cool. Oh yeah, it works. The red light works. And yes, the UV light works. Yeah, woo! Let's see if we can get something to test on. Some cash here. Okay, can this pick it up? I think it's a bit hard to see, but there are little flakes in here. Oh, there you go. What's that? Whoa, there you go. Check it out. That's how you tell if it's a real note. But yeah, good stuff. So thank you, MecArmy. I really appreciate it. Oh, let's get this clip on. So if you guys want to get your torch light, definitely you can check out Blacktactical, or I will put some sort of contact somewhere on the screen. I'll put this on this one first so I don't mess it up. Is it meant to be this way or this way? Okay, that fits pretty snug. I can clip it to my pocket. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool, guys. Man, it's really tight. Okay. So, yeah, guys, good stuff. Thanks for watching. So, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. If you like what you saw, kindly hit that subscribe button. It helps a bunch. Additionally, if you guys want any Ganko products, hit us up at the Hookem hotline. It'll be on the screen right now. If you guys want to get your MecArmy lights, I don't know if Blacktactical is going to be bringing in more. I'll put their website in the description below. If not, I'll put MecArmy's contact, and yeah, definitely check them out. Peace, guys. Bye bye.